What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Brothers Barn. Today I'm going to go to a job site and we're going to be cleaning vinyl fence and pavers. We're also going to sand and seal the pavers, so I thought it'd be a good time to kind of show you guys our process and show you how nasty and how clean we can get these fences and the pavers. So kind of heading there now. Traffic's pretty busy right now, so once I get there, I'll show you guys what it's all about. So we arrived. These are what we're going to be cleaning, this concrete area right here. Well, hello. And doing all the fence all the way around. Gonna get some pictures and get to work. I don't know what these things are. Looks like burn piles. Yeah, let's get some pictures. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, I'm pre-wetting the surface with about a 1.5–2% mix to kill all the algae. Now I'm getting my surface cleaner. I started to notice I'm having a little difficulties, as you can see that it's not spraying correctly, so I was checking, make sure there's no clogs, and then I'm gonna try and see if it fixed it, but it did not fix it. I think I got it, so now I'm getting back to work. And I can see it's still having issues. So multiple tries, finally getting it somewhere where I can do some work. So now I'm taking my time, cleaning this surface really well. Going one pass at a time. Everything in between the pavers and getting all those weeds and stuff out, so just getting everything nice and clean. And I'm having issues again. So after multiple issues, I decided to rinse everything off that I've gotten dirty, the fence and stuff, and move some dirt around just to kind of show the difference from where I'm at currently. This is a very This process took a lot longer than I expected because of equipment malfunction. Surface cleaner was not working with me, so this job did take a lot longer than I expected, but that's just mainly due to equipment malfunctions. So, but keep on watching and see the process as it goes. Okay, so this is after everything was cleaned. Took a couple pictures of show you guys what it looks like after I got everything cleaned. And this one's when I started to put sand in the pavers. And here's a quick overview of after I put sand in between all the pavers. Still got a little bit of finishing up to do, but to give you the concept of it. So everything is looking pretty good. Look at that, nice and clean. Okay, we're gonna do some before and after. Look at that nasty green fence and what it looks like after got it nice and cleaned. Big difference. This is the other side. All that green is now gone. Amazing. And here is the pavers before. Look how nasty and ugly that looks. And boom, nice and clean. And then this is after we put everything in for them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, later everyone.